Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner App Team YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the important agriculture scheme that is called Operation Green Scheme that comes under the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. Now understand it. It is very much important for all competitive examination because in recent examination we have seen the trend that question related to the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is asked more. So it is important for your IBPS AFO examination also, NABARD examination also, RRB also, and all other state and central examination including state PCS and UPSC. Okay, so listen each of the point very carefully and write it down. Now let's start it. Now understand, in this first slide we need to understand what is introduction to the Operation Green. Operation Green was initiated by the government of India in the year 2018-19 Union Budget. Okay, what is the aim of the Operation Green? The aim to stabilize the supply of tomato, onion and potato known as top crop of the country. They can ask the question about top crop, then it will be the tomato, onion and potato. Don't be confused. Now come to the next important point. The Finance Minister of India on the line of the Operation Flood or White Revolution had announced the Operation Green. Now they can ask the question that Operation Green was started on the line of Operation Flood or White Revolution or many revolution. They can give as option. So the correct answer will be the White Revolution or Operation Flood. As the Operation Green was recently in the news, it holds the importance for the general awareness section in the various competitive examination. So understand this whole slide. What is the important thing? First important thing, it was launched in the year 2018-19 in the Union Budget to stabilize the supply of tomato, onion and potato, and it is also known as top crop of the country. And this operation was started on the line of Operation Flood and White Revolution. This is the important point of this slide. Now come to the next important slide, that is background of the Operation Green. Background of any scheme is very much important. So it is very important to understand the background of Operation Green. Now understand this paragraph. With an outlay of 500 crore, a new scheme Operation Green was announced by the Finance Minister in the Union Budget of 2018-19. Currently, Operation Green is hosted in the Ministry of Food Processing Industry, that or MOFPI. NAFED is the nodal agency to implementation and price stabilization measure. Now come to the next important point, then we will understand this whole slide. The scheme Operation Green is on the line of Operation Flood, aimed to promote FPO, that is Farmer Produce Organization, processing facilities, agri-logistics and professional management of agriculture produce. Now understand what type of the question they can ask you from this slide. Now first point they can ask, what is the budget of Operation Green when it is initiated? The budget is 500 crore. Who initiated the Operation Green? Finance Minister initiated the Operation Green in the Union Budget of 2018-19. Third question, who is responsible for the, which ministry is responsible for the Operation Green? That Ministry of Food Processing and Industry is responsible for the Operation Green. Who is the responsible for price stabilization in the TOP crops, that is tomato, potato and onion? Then it will be the NAFED is the nodal agency to implement price stabilization measure. What is the another point? The scheme Operation Green is on the line of Operation Flood to aim to promote FPO. Okay, these are the not important point. This point is very much important. So keep in the mind. Now we will come to the next important slide, that is very much important. Now we will understand whole Operation Green in the three important points. First important point will be the definition of the Operation Green. Second important point will be the what government is going to do in the Operation Green. And third important point, that is what ENAM platform is going to play role in the Operation Green. First one, let's see this. What is Operation Green? Operation Green is the scheme to fix the right price for the farmer produce. It aims to ensure that farmers are given the right price for the resource created by them. The program focused an organized market for the TOP vegetables. Now understand, government is going to make an organized market for TOP vegetables, that is tomato, onion and potato, by connecting the farmers directly with the consumers. Now another thing that government is going to do in this scheme, throughout the Operation Green, government plan to provide the financial assistance to whom? To farmer produce organization, state agriculture, other marketing federation, cooperatives, companies, food processors and self-help group. To all this, government is going to help them financial. Now what ENAM is going to do in this scheme? The ENAM platform will connect the agriculture produce market committee so as to help the structural and infrastructural part of the Operation Green scheme. The government have also decided to help in development of 22,000 agriculture market under this scheme. In this whole 3 points, what is most important? The most important point is that government has decided to develop 22,000 agriculture market under this scheme. We will not waste too much time. Now come to the next important slide of this scheme. There is 5 objective of the Operation Green. We will understand in very much short because it is not that much important. First important point is setting up the market intelligence network to collect the real-time data on the price and demand and supply of the top crop, means setting up the real-time data collection center. Second important point is increase in the food processing capability and value addition in the top value chain. Third important point is reducing after harvest losses by creating the infrastructure, appropriate storage capability and other things. Improving value realization of the top farmer by targeting and to strengthening the FPOs and top producer. And fifth important point is stabilization of the price for the customer and producer by proper planning in the production of the top cluster and introduction of dual use varieties. If you will ask me what is the important point in this whole slide, then nothing is important in this whole slide. No one is going to ask you to write the objective of the Operation Green, but I will say just once take a screenshot and read it. Now come to the next important point. What is the need of the Operation Green? That is important. Need of the Operation Green. It is very important for the student preparing for the state agriculture examination, HO examination, AAO examination, UPSC examination or state public service examination. Okay, now understand each point very much carefully. The idea behind the Operation Green scheme is to double the income of the farmer by the end of the year 2022. It was launched on the line of the Operation Flood and seeks to retaliate the success of a milk in vegetable and fruit. Now what is the important point in this slide? Now understand. It aims to double the farmer income till the year end of 2022. It was launched on the line of the Operation Flood but seeks to be success like white revolution in the vegetable and fruits. When the production of the vegetable commodity increase sharply, the price crashes because there is not enough modern storage capacity. Therefore, the scheme seeks to solve the problem of storage capacity. The farmer often receive 1/4 of the what customer pays to their produce. This is because the link between the processing and organized retailing in India is weak and small. Means because of middlemen this happens that farmer receive less than 1/4 that customer pays to the produce. The scheme Operation Green will focus on these problems for basic ingredient, not on additional commodity in the agriculture. Now come to the next important point, that is strategies and operation of the Operation Green. It is the common question that is asked on the Operation Green, so I have covered this point also. Strategies of Operation Green scheme. There is only 2 strategies that is Operation Green follow. The first strategy is the price stabilization measure for the short term, and second important point is integrated value chain development project for the long term. Okay, now understand in the short, price stabilization for the short term and value chain for the long term. Now come to the next important point. In that we have covered 2 important questions that is commonly asked. We have included 2 important questions that is commonly asked in the competitive examination. First question is how many crop will be now included in the Operation Green? The central government on the November 11, 2022 announced a new scheme namely Operation Green. In this scheme, government will provide 50% subsidy will be provided to the Himalayan and northeastern state for air transportation of 41 notified fruit and vegetable to any place in the country. So how many crops? That is 41 fruit and vegetables. Now another important question is what is the aim of Operation Green? Operation Green aim to stabilize the supply of the tomato, onion and potato crop and to ensure the ability of top crop throughout the country round the year without price fluctuation. The scheme was extended during the June 2020 to cover all the fruit and vegetable, that is called total, for the period of 6 months on the pallet basis as Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. This scheme is very much important. You will get this slide in our WhatsApp group or in our Telegram channel. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed. Press the bell icon and be connected with us regularly. Thank you so much.